This first question is asking for you to compare two numbers. In order to do that, you need to make sure that you have your place values lined up. So this is where you'll take out your place value chart and make sure you have both numbers written on your place value chart. The numbers are 9 digits long with no number after the decimal, so I would count back 9 spots to make sure that I put my numbers in the correct place value. And in comparing whole numbers or decimals, you always start with the largest place value. This first digit in the hundred millions place does not tell us. But if we go to the next place value over, we notice that 9 is larger. Therefore, 9, this number, 197,280,733 is the larger number. I like to circle my larger number, and then I would go back to my test and I would look at each one of these and compare to what number is larger. So remember, this was the larger number, and if I circle that on my test for each one of these, I can find the number that has the greater than symbol pointing to that larger number. This is not correct. This might be correct. Of course, it's not equal, and then this symbol is incorrect. So this is how I would make the selection for this.